Hello and welcome back to day 6. And today's topic is going to be build it, do it, take action. And what I mean is I think there is something in you that you want to do, you want to become, you want to build, but you're scared. And that's okay, because we all feel that fear. I have felt that fear many times in my life. When I went overseas, I wanted to go overseas, and I saw this flyer when I was going to college, and I was like, Italy, I wonder if I could swing that. And I found a way, and I went, again with Japan. That was the bigger one. Funny enough, I didn't know how I was going to do it, because the finances for a year trip abroad. And then I got to the place where there was going to be the big meeting and you can meet all the other students who were going to go. And I was talking to this lady, this young woman, and she was like me, I was like, so do you know how you're going to pay for this? And she was like, I got no idea. And I was like, sweet, oh thank God. There was somebody else who didn't know what, Oh my goodness. So yes, there will be a time where you're like, I want to do this thing, but I don't know how. But I believe that you can do it. I believe that you can do it. You just kind of have to just go on the path and then figure it out as you go. I think that's what we're all doing in this world. We're all just going and we're figuring it out as we go. So if you want to make a book, if you want to write, become a writer, you want to be, make videos on YouTube, hell, if you want to make, movies or anything, I believe you can do it. Just, it all starts up here with the idea, I think I want to do this. I think I can do this. Right? And then you go and you do it. You'll be better for it. I think I'm a better person because of the things that I've gone through. Right? Even if I didn't know I could do it, I found a way. And I think you can find a way. I believe in you. So, build it, do it, go, take action. Okay, that's my little rant. I will see you in the next video. Take care. What time is that? 2:51. Nicely done, Dre. Nicely done.